Welcome to Curiosity Kids. I'm Joy with ACCPF and this is Quinn. And today we are going to show you how to make mud pie art. So not mud pies that you can eat. So this is going to be a piece of art that you create with just a few simple items. It's pretty easy but pretty fun at the same time. You want to say what we need today?
Sure. We need some water and tin, just a container, yes, and a shovel and gloves if you don't like getting your hands dirty.
You can use any kind of container. If we have a recyclable little pie tin, but you can use a glass one or a metal one. Just make sure you wash it so your guardians don't get upset that you put like a muddy thing in the kitchen sink after you're done with your art, so don't do that. And then we also want a paper bag because we're gonna go find some nature things in our yard. So you can just go out to your garden or to your park or on your patio or your balcony and look for things that spark your interest that you think kind of look cool, that could help you create whatever you like, all right? So let's go get some nature items and we'll get started. So now that we've gotten our soil and our nature items, we've got kind of a whole bunch of different things in here that we found. We can go ahead and start making the mud. That's the first thing we need. Now our soil was pretty wet just because it's been raining, but it's still not mud, right? And let's make sure, oh, I think I found another worm. Uh-oh, I'm gonna put him back. So just make sure you don't have any worms or anything in there because you don't wanna put them in your mud pie. They're better off in your garden where they can help the soil. All right, so do you want to start by pouring some water in?
Yes.
So you just pour water in and however much you want to make your mud pie as muddy as you want.
Mud.
Okay, so let's mix it up. See what we got. We like that consistency.
Yeah.
Then we can just start creating.
It's a bit wet.
Maybe a little wet. If you have it too wet, you can always go get more soil. And remember, this is an outside project because your guardian will not be happy if this is inside. All right, you wanna go get some more soil? All right, we'll be right back. So that is it. We are all done. I think it's super cool. And then one of the things, see, we made a big mess, so definitely do this outside. Make sure that you wash your hands when you're done, right? Soap, water, that whole thing. And then one of the cool things you can do if you want is leave it outside in the sun and then come and check on it every couple days or out in the rain, because it might rain too, right? And see what happens to the soil, what happens to the flowers or the leaves. If you put sticks or whatever you created, check it out and see over a few days how it changes, because water might evaporate out and dry out our soil. It may rain and make even more mud. I don't know, we'll find out, right?
Yeah.
for your supply list and your instructions, go to acparks.org and you just click on the link and everything's right there for you. Get your supplies together and get outside. Have some fun. It's actually pretty cool to make mud pies. I like it. Cool. All right, bye everybody.